students, once again welcome back. The next class of physics. In this class, we will discuss some remaining topics of sound. In previous classes, we had already discussed about the what is sound. Sound, we know that anything which helps us in sensation of hearing, that is sound. Then we had discussed about the speed of sound. Then some important terms related with sound. Important terms related with sound means we had discussed about the amplitude, frequency, time period, wavelength. We had discussed about the graph of sound, and then we had discussed some important musical instruments related with sound. Okay, so please revise it. Today we will discuss about the speed of sound. Okay, we know that one thing, for traveling of sound, medium is very important. If we are talking about light, medium is not necessary, but in case of sound, medium is very important to transfer of sound from one place to another place. So we should try to understand here how the speed of sound important for us. Okay, so speed of sound, we know that for finding the speed, suppose a car is going with some speed, so how can we find the speed? We can compare the distance between object A to B. Suppose a car is going from here to here, so we can compare the speed. Suppose this speed is 100 meter and the car is taking 20 seconds to reach here, so we can find the speed distance upon time. In the same way, we can find the speed of sound. So unit maybe meter, kilometer, and unit for the time R and second. So by using this formula, distance upon time, we can find the speed. Okay. The second thing is, for small example, we can take one example to explain this. The unit of the speed is kilometer per hour or meter per second. Suppose this is the one person, this is the second person. One is standing here, another one is standing here. Maybe he is calling to him. Okay, he is calling to him. Suppose he is standing across 100 meter distance from here to here, and he is calling to him. So what will happen? This distance is approximately 100 meter, and suppose this sound is reaching here. By the timer, you can say in 3 seconds. So we can find the speed of sound is 330 meter per second, 333.33 meter per second approximately. So by this formula, we can calculate the speed of any body. Suppose I am saying something to a person is standing at some distance. So we can compare the distance and the time to reach the sound wave. Then we can compare the speed of sound. Okay. So one thing which we have to understand, why we are saying too much about the speed of sound, because speed of sound varies from medium to medium. We know that there are different mediums, solid, liquid, gas. So the speed of sound varies from medium to medium. If we are talking about solid, it has maximum speed. If we are comparing it with liquid, so it has speed lower in comparison to solid. And if we are talking gas, so it has minimum speed or lowest speed in gases. So by one by one, we'll take example and try to understand about the speed of sound, how the speed of sound varies in different medium. Take a metallic rod. Suppose this is a metallic rod. Okay. Then there are two objects required to perform this experiment. First is metallic rod and a small hammer. Okay. And two friends. Suppose one friend, one boy, you can perform this experiment with your friend. Suppose you have this hammer in your hand and your friend is standing here. So you will say with your friend, please keep your ear just near this second end of hammer at B. Okay, and you will say just tap this hammer on this rod. So what will happen when your friend is tapping your hammer on this end? So you will hear two sounds. Okay, you will hear two sounds. First one is just next instant when your friend is hitting, your friend is hitting here. So you will just after immediate second you will hear one sound, and after few seconds you will hear another sound. First sound due to the sound transfer to the solid, and second through the air. So the first sound you will hear that is due to the solid. Okay, so by this we can say the speed of sound travel faster in solid. Just when your friend is tapping here, at the second instant you will hear that sound by the solid medium and afterwards by the gaseous medium. So by this experiment we can say the sound travels faster in solid in comparison to gases. Okay, now we shall try to understand our second example to show sound travel faster through liquid than air. Okay, suppose this is a container. You will take one container and put some water in that container and put one squeezing toy. Put one squeezing toy in this container. Okay. When and here you can keep your ear just near the surface of water. Just near the surface of water. When you squeeze or press this squeezing toy in water. So what will you feel? There will be two sound will come. There will be two sound will come from this surface. One from this water surface and second from the air. So what will you feel? When you squeeze this squeezing toy, just next instant you will listen a sound through this water medium. And after a few seconds you will listen from the gaseous medium. So what we can observe here, sound travels faster through liquid than the air. What we have to do, we will take one container, put some water in that container and afterwards we will take one squeezing toy and put this squeezing toy in this container and squeeze this toy, and after a few seconds we will listen voice, or we can say one sound by this medium, water medium, faster in comparison to gaseous medium. So by this activity we can prove about the sound travel faster in liquid than the air. So this is about the speed of sound, how the speed of sound varies in different medium. Next, relative speed of sound. Relative speed of sound. Relative speed, we can say when we compare something with some other object. So we are relating this to this. Suppose we are comparing speed of sound with solid, with liquid and gases. So we can say here we are comparing the relative speed of sound. So by this formula, speed of sound can be found, relative speed of sound can be found, elasticity upon density, square root of elasticity upon density. Okay, you will learn about this formula in higher classes. Just you have to remember this formula, elasticity of density, about for the relative speed of sound. So what is the best way, what is the best condition? Low density and high elasticity. When density is low and elasticity is high, so in that condition you will listen maximum speed of sound. You can observe, you cannot listen, you can observe the maximum speed of sound for travel. So for the speed of maximum speed of sound, for the propagation of sound, density should be low and elasticity should be high. Here there are some examples by which we can observe. These are the solved numericals given in your book. You can revise it, or I will solve in next class. So sound travel in hydrogen about 4 times the maximum speed as compared to air. Okay, the speed of sound in hydrogen 4 times maximum as compared to air due to the density of hydrogen, because hydrogen having less density in comparison to air. That's why approximately 4 times speed of sound is more in the hydrogen in comparison to air. So because the hydrogen density less than in comparison to air. The speed of sound is in iron is maximum or more in comparison to approximately 14 times. Approximately 14 times the speed of sound is more in iron in comparison to air. Okay, so these are the different examples by which we can understand about the speed of sound. Next, as well as temperature varies, the speed of sound also varies. As well as temperature varies, the speed of sound also varies. So speed of sound when temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, the speed of sound approximately 331 degrees Celsius. When temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, the speed of sound is 43 meter per second. When temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius. Minus 40 degrees Celsius. At that temperature, speed is 306 meter per second. So by taking these examples, at 331 meter per second at 0 degrees Celsius, 343 meter per second at 20 degrees Celsius, means as well as we are increasing the temperature, speed is increasing. As well as when decreasing the temperature, speed is decreasing. So this is all about the introduction of sound related with speed. First of all, speed of sound, distance upon time. Unit of speed, kilometer per hour, meter per second. Examples 1000 upon 3, by which we can explain the speed of sound. Activity 1, activity 2, in which we are comparing speed of sound with solid, liquid, gas, and relative speed. We are comparing the speed on the basis of density and elasticity. Then we have discussed few examples. So this is all about the speed of sound. In the next class, we will discuss about the numerical problems related with speed of sound. So thank you for today. We will meet in the next class.